Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Monday, September 14, 2015. Thank you all for tuning in. What you're going to see here is that the S&P 500 E-mini futures are trading up by just 1/4 of a point to 1960.5 per contract. Now, futures have been all over the map, really. If you think about it, they've been down here and back up here. So basically, they're in a range at the moment, but all in all, futures are basically flat this morning before the opening bell. So we'll see how this market trades out. But on other news, we do have a European market that is slightly negative, but we did have some selling in the Shanghai Composite last night. Shanghai finished down 2.7%. Also, the Nikkei 225, which is Japan, finished down 1.6%, and that's pretty important going forward. All right, we got some stocks in the news, and let's get started here. We're going to talk about Alibaba. This had a negative article out on Barron's. So Barron's put Alibaba in negative light here. Stock is trading down around 62.65. It closed at 64.63, so a little bit of downside action there for Alibaba. We'll see how this one plays out. Plus, remember, the Shanghai Composite last night was down 2.7%, so traders want to keep an eye on all Chinese ADRs today. They could be under some pressure. Now, this coming Friday, just so everybody is aware, in the U.S. is going to be options expiration for the month of September. I believe it's also a quadruple witching, which means it's the end of the quarter. So we're going to have a lot of whipsaw this week and a lot of different equities, a lot of different names. Be prepared. Today may start off a little bit slow, but there's going to be a lot to be found as far as stocks moving up and down whenever you get an options X. Now, watch for a lot of rumors. I'm sure we're going to get that, and it's already started this morning. So one stock that's getting a takeover rumor is CHS. This stock right now, Chico's, is a retailer. And again, last options X, the same takeover rumor came out. Private equity firm was looking to buy the company. It never happened. But today we're getting the same takeover chatter again. So we'll see how this plays out. But either way, just be prepared. You're going to get a lot more of this type of news, this type of action going forward. And not just this stock, and just every stock under the sun at some point will have some type of rumor, whether it's true, false, or not, good or bad, we never know. But there'll be some type of rumor out there. This is a week of where you get a lot of ridiculous upgrades and downgrades. The institutions have an agenda, basically. So be on your toes, be aware of it. All right, let's take a look at Apple. That was mentioned in positive light. In Barron's, I believe, as well. Apple's having a nice bid here today. Closed at 114.21. Stock now is trading at 116.60. We're going to give Apple the upside bias, believe it or not, this week, all the way to around 120, 121. So the stock is showing pretty good strength. We'll see how it plays out. Let's take a look at SLH. This stock is Solera Holdings. I believe this stock is actually being bought out. So again, this is a private equity group that is buying out this company. So if you own Solera, just trail your stop loss or take it off the table. Great job. Either way, this is a buyout, so I don't think we're going to see much more upside here. Let's take a look at MBLY, which is Mobileye. They look like they're rebounding a little bit from last week's sell-off. Stock closed at $46.03, now trading at $46.93. It's not a big move, but nonetheless, the stock was pounded last week, and it is reacting decent this morning. So we'll keep that on our radar today, and we'll see how it plays out going forward. Again, real quick, I just want to reiterate that you want to watch the Chinese ADRs. They're going to be potentially under pressure. A couple of other ones are Baidu, BIDU. Stock right now is trading down a little bit, closed at 144, now trading at 143.20. Sina Corp, SINA, that stock's actually not doing much before the opening bell, sitting right where it closed on Friday. You also have China Mobile, CHL. This one's holding up okay. It's trading right now at around 58.91, but there's no volume here. So again, you got to be a little bit careful here with this one as well. So keep Chinese ADRs on the radar. As for Japanese stocks, really the one that I follow most closely is Toyota Motor. I'm not seeing any effect here, but again, Japan was down 1.6% last night, so you do want to be aware of it. All right, let's turn our attention to gold futures. Gold futures are trading up $1.20 to, I believe, $11.0450 an ounce. Not a big deal. It's basically flat. Oil futures are trading down 21 cents to $44.42 a barrel. again, basically trading flat. So we're not going to get into that too much today. Futures have just reversed down $1.25. So again, remember, this market will be under some pressure. We have a big Fed meeting on Thursday. We also have options expiration on Friday. So get prepared. This is going to be a whipsaw day. If you want to trade alongside of us, come over, take a 7-day free trial. We had a blockbuster day trading week last week. We're going to look to keep that going. 2015 has been absolutely stellar. So if you want to come over and trade alongside of us, you get to see our desktop. You get to see everything that we're doing. You come over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You'll see everything that we are doing there. You can trade right with us. With that being said, everybody have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.